Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Time to put some snow tires on the car, and I got myself a Christmas present. It's fully charged right now. 4 lights. We'll see how long she lasts. Come on. Definitely feels strange in the hand compared to my impact. Takes some getting used to. I already noticed that once it kicks the bolt loose, my tendency is to let go of the trigger. So I gotta sort of make a mental note to hold it. And I should probably use a deep socket as well. As you can see, there's not too much room. There's one more. Should be wearing my lights, sorry. And this one is stuck. These are my 275s. You can see my winter tires all ready to go. I gave the lettering, the stickers, a little bit of a cleaning. My post on Instagram will be put in this video. It's that time of the year again, winter tires, and just cleaning up my little stickers from tire stickers, and I'm using the Rubber Bright to brighten or clean the lettering. Obviously there's some curb rash, some abuse on the stickers, but they came out nice and bright again. I should have taken video or pictures of them before cleaning, but all I did was let this soak in a little bit and then washed it off basically. Well, you rub it, I rubbed it off, rubbed it clean, the lettering I should say, and then all I did was spray it off with water, and that's it. It's gonna look even better on the car. So far, no problems getting the bolts out. This one's also stuck a little. It's definitely quieter than an impact gun. Quieter than an air impact gun, I should say. And that's anti-seize. Obviously there's anti-seize someplace, and I already transferred. There you go, see? That's the one thing I hate about anti-seize. It transfers everywhere quickly. Probably all over my pants too very soon. So that's 4 wheels off. We're still at 4 bars. That's good. With a car that's balanced 50-50, I don't really worry too much about tire tread depth, which goes where. But I do want to try to keep the wear pattern even. So if the weight transfer is the same, you're going to have same tread wear, but on the steering, on the front wheels, you're going to have more wear on the outer edges because of the steering. So if you look carefully at this tire, this side here looks like there's more wear. They're fairly close though. I think they've only got a couple of seasons behind them. So I'm gonna stick this one in the back, this one at the front. Did I even mark them last year? Left rear. No marking on this side. Okay, that would make these guys the right side. Quick visual. This side looks to be worn more. So I'm probably going to put this one in the rear, this one on the front. Yep. And this one marked at all? No markings. Oh, no markings. I'm not going to bother with anti-seize on the hub. There's enough on there already. The steel wheels seem to not hang up as much as the alloys when it comes time to remove them. It may vary between different vehicles, different wheels, whatever. Let's use a little extra light. It's definitely more kickback with this thing compared to the air gun. Because I don't have the feel of the gun yet, I'm going to use my torque wrench after. Still 4 lights, but it feels slower. I think it's because it was pulling in, it was a tight fit and it was pulling the hub still in. It's sitting a bit off center here, so it's not quite seated yet. I'm gonna have to double check that. It's definitely not seated all the way here. Maybe if I pull these guys in first. See if they'll pull down first. It definitely seems tight, but maybe a little bit better. It's definitely more vibration transferred through the electric impact than the air hammer, than the air pneumatic. So I can definitely feel it more in the arm, and that's probably not a good thing. Yeah, I definitely feel it along the arm, way more than the air gun. Anyways, taking 4 wheels off, putting them back on, we're at about 3.5 bars. I was going 90. There's a tiny bit of movement on the earlier ones. That one is tight. That's tight. That was tight. There was movement there. How was the movement? That was tight. There was distinctive movement there. I always set my tires to 40. I don't know why. I'm actually not even sure what the spec is. There are some people who can supposedly tell the difference between 38 and 40 psi, you know, just by driving. I'm not one of those people, so I just go with what's nice and easy to remember. All ready for the non-existing winter we're gonna have, most likely. It's the second season, winter season, that I have these stickers on the wheels, on the tires, and like I said, they're holding up good. The cleaning agent works well. And they're skinnier tires, slightly skinnier, well, definitely skinnier than my summer tires. So maybe I'll abuse these a little bit now that I have the nice new clutch installed.